Morning students. Today we are going to deal with nature of mercantile law, commercial law or business law. All the three mercantile law, commercial law or business law, all the three things mean the same thing. But what do you mean by mercantile? Mercantile means activities related to trade and commerce. Now mercantile persons, those who are doing those activities, all the forms of business organizations which we have learnt, like sole traders, partners, and then joint stock company or any cooperative society. Mercantile persons. Then mercantile transactions. Mercantile transactions, you have been keeping books of accounts, you have been doing problems, sale of goods, buying of goods, all the activities related to that becomes a contractual situation. All the transactions become contractual situations. And when the contractual situation comes, there will be some rights and obligations arising out of that contractual situations. All those rights and obligations arising out of these contractual situations, for that there will be rules and regulations or laws. Now, mercantile law means an aggregate body of law or rules related to or connected to trade, industry and commerce. Aggregate body of rules. Related to what? Connected to what? Trade, industry and commerce. That is the meaning of mercantile law or business law or commercial law. Now, merchandise means what? Merchandise, here it means the goods kept for sale. Now let us go through what are the sources of Indian mercantile law. How Indian mercantile law came into picture. What is the source from where it has taken all these things. So there are four main sources of Indian mercantile law. First source, the biggest source is English mercantile law. Apart from that, second major source is statute law. That is the law made by the parliament. And apart from that, judicial decisions and customs and usages. Like that, we have got four major sources of Indian mercantile law. Now, under the English mercantile law, the sources of English mercantile law divided into two. Main source and other sources. Main source and other sources. Main source, common law, equity law and statute law. Let us go through the main sources in detail. Common law, how it came into picture. All the ancient English merchants or English people who have been following certain customs, usages, traditions, based on those practices or customs, usages and traditions, the courts or the judges have passed judgments in the case for solving the cases, and that has become the law. But common law is unwritten law and it has been followed since centuries. Next to that, equity law is supplementary to common law. Why it is supplementary to common law? Because wherever the common law failed to guide or have become harsh, then equity law came into picture. Equity is based on justice. So the judges have used equity law for giving justice to the people. And wherever the common law failed, equity came into picture. Now, once a Judicature Act came into force in 1873 and 1875, Judicature Act, and that has abolished the differences. Now common law and equity law is applied to all the cases. Next, statute law. Statute law is superior to common law and equity law because it is the law passed by the parliament, by an act of the parliament, which is the sovereign. Apart from main sources, now let us go through the other sources of English mercantile law. The other sources of English mercantile is law maritime or law merchants. Means the English merchants, it acted like a forerunner. Means whatever the changes or customs and usages that have been followed by the English merchants in their commercial practices or transactions, that will be recognized by the common law courts and that becomes the law. Means customs and usages followed by the merchants will be recognized by the common courts and that becomes the law. Means common law is not closed to new changes that are taking place or the practices or customs adopted by merchants. They will be taken up, recognized, and they can become the law in passing the judgments. Next, Roman law. Roman law will be referred only in those situations where customs and traditions fail to guide the courts. Next, case law is another source of English mercantile law where in the past, during a particular case, whatever the judgment passed by a particular judge, that if similar situation appears in future, the case that was solved or the judgment that was passed in that case becomes the law. That is called case law. Unless the circumstances change, the law will not change. So this is about English mercantile law. Main source. Another main source for the Indian mercantile law is statute law. In India, the law-making bodies are two. One is parliament, second is state legislature. Here, whatever the acts which we are going to study in under this syllabus, like Indian Contract Act 1872 or Sale of Goods Act 1930 or Information Technology Act 2000. So like that, whatever the acts passed by the parliament or state legislature will become act and will become the source, and it is also a sovereign law. Next to that is judicial decision. In India also, judges have passed several decisions in several cases in the past. Whatever the judgments passed in several cases in the past will become the law if similar situations appears in front of the court. Next, last one, customs and usages. Now, the customs and usages that have been practiced by the Indian merchants in India will also become law once it is recognized by the state, and if that particular custom is used in passing the judgment, it is registered in the courts, then that custom becomes law. But for that, for a custom to become law, certain test is applied, like the custom must be ancient, custom must be reasonable, custom must be certain, custom must be definite, custom must be consistent with other customs, means it should not disturb other customs, and last, it must be uniformly accepted in the course of business. That's it. We have completed sources of Indian mercantile law and the meaning of mercantile law. This may be a one long answer question in the examination also. Thank you.